My name is Abhishek Chauthmal. I did my undergrad in Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. I worked as a product manager 3 years for an insurance tech company, and then I landed up to Columbia. So I just found this course to be very suitable and aligned with all my characteristics. Technology management actually helps you out with the complete perspective of how to take decisions into big companies, how to gain knowledge of managing the whole team, how to strategically think. So we have been taught by big firms, CTOs, CEOs, CFOs. They share their test cases, how they overcome certain challenges, which is actually very inspiring to learn from. Technology management program, we actually go to multiple field trips. Those are very helpful for us to understand the perspective of company, how does the company works with cooperation, and how business is implemented with the help of technology. There's so much to learn from every student. The diversity and friends I have made from all over 40 countries. So it's like amazing that every country I do have a point of contact as a friend. Like it's so much of learning and cultural exchange.